name is Seth Winfield. I've been playing drums for about 8 years now, and I'm happy to be saying that I will be endorsing Collision Drumsticks. So I'm in 2 bands at the moment. One of them is a cover band called Fire Escape, and the other one is an original band called Apathy. And both these bands are very heavy hitting and rocky, so I use the Collision 2B drumsticks. They are very durable, they're very lightweight, and they're just built really well. They don't feel cheap at all, and they can definitely take a beating. The staff at Collision are amazing in terms of communication and how they speak to you. I've had a very good time talking to them and working with them up to this point, and I hope to do more with them in the future. The clip I'm about to show you is from a rehearsal we did with my original band Apathy, performing one of our songs. I hope you enjoy it. about to show you is a practice. So the clip I'm about to show you is a clip from... So I'm in 2 bands